All right, my beautiful friends. There was something strange going on around here. Very strange. And we need to talk about it. It's really the truth. So this is my post-market wrap-up for this strange Wednesday, July 17, 2019. So, strange. How many of you had the displeasure today of hearing about the strange report from the Federal Reserve? You know, the beige book. It's strange. Something very weird's going on with the Fed beige book. I'm not making this up. And if you were following CNBC, they use that word like over and over. It's strange. Steve, you know Steve Leisman? Steve himself said it was strange because it was full of contradictions. He just can't understand it. Poor Steve and the rest of the CNBC crew over there, they just don't get it. Now, let's talk about what they don't get. The Fed is saying in their beige book that the economy is slowing, while at the same time, our economy is growing at a moderate pace. Their words, moderate. Meanwhile, again, they're saying we're slowing, and they also said this. You're going to love this. The jobs market is getting tight. Meanwhile, I thought there were jobs everywhere because our president says we're booming and we're creating all kinds of lovely jobs. So you see, this is strange to them. They don't get it. They don't understand it. Especially Steve. Steve was very confused. Very, very confused, Steve. I'll tell you what, Steve. Why don't you call me? We'll talk about it. Or maybe you could converse with anyone who follows this blog. I am more than certain that they're not as confused as you are. All right, so that's the big mess here. Fed's strange beige book, all kinds of contradictions, saying one thing, saying another thing, trying to make sense of what's going on here because they can't figure it out. Because we have, people telling us how great our economy is and it's booming. Anyway, that's the story. The market didn't like it. This came out at 11 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, and from that time forward, the stock market just went down. I mean, the stocks finished lower across the board, but nothing major here. We're kind of in a holding pattern, and it looks to me, again, like this market does want to move up, but it's kind of waiting to see. We're getting a whole slew of earnings right now as I am doing this video blog. I'm certain they're coming out. I have no idea. It doesn't matter anyway. Earnings don't matter. You know that. Forward guidance doesn't matter. Nothing. Zero. PE ratios. It's all about the Fed. It's all about easy money. And like I explained to you, this is the other confusion today on, not just on CNBC, but all the financial channels. They're like, well, stocks are pretty much at all-time record highs here, and the Fed is going to cut rates. Stocks are at all-time highs or near all-time record highs because the Fed it's anticipated that they are going to cut rates. My God, these people cannot get it through their heads. It's very strange. Very, very strange. To them, not to you. Okay? But, look, are these people just stupid? Or do you think you're stupid? I think they're stupid. Look, all they do is read a script. They get up in the morning, they do their nice hairdos, and they get dressed up, and what am I going to have to read today? I wonder what they're going to put in front of my face. Duh! I really can't stand it. I can't. Anyway. You get the picture here. We have a strange book. I don't know. It's from outer space, I guess. Maybe Steve Leisman's from outer space and the rest of the CNBC crew. You know what I think? I really believe they're all freaking aliens. And maybe that's why there's this big march on Area 51. We're going to find the CNBC crew here, Fox Business over here. We're going to find them all over there, communicating with their leader. Take me to your leader. Yeah, that's what they're going to do. All right, look, I got to stop this. I'm starting to get like weird tics. But come on. This is just too much. I can't even handle it myself. I know you can't either. Maybe we should start a scream fest. We all go to the window and we just scream. What do you think? I don't know. Anyway, look, I hope this made sense to you. Things are strange. Things are weird to certain people and in certain groups of people. But to you and me, it could not be more freaking clear. But anyway, with that said, I hope this has been interesting or at least entertaining. If you think so, please share this video. Get it out there. Yes, Greg has lost his mind. And I don't care. I really don't care. I embrace it. I really do. This guy loves you. I don't know who that is. I will see you in the morning.